Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of the factorization, of trinomials. So in the last videos we spoke about how to factorize a trinomial that has a constant that is positive. Now today we're going to look at a situation where the constant is negative. I don't know what's wrong with my marker here, but hopefully you can see that one is a 4. Let me try another color. Got 4. Yes. So what is happening here is that whenever you have a constant that is negative, the first thing that you must know is that the two brackets will have different signs, like opposite signs, and again that the bigger of the factors, the bigger factor will take the sign of the middle term. So let's just dive straight into it and have a look. So we have x squared minus 3x minus 4. How are we going to factorize this? We're just going to open the two brackets, put x on each one, put negative and positive because the constant is negative. And from there we're going to look for the factors of 4 that can give us 3. Now the factors of 4 is 1 and 4 and also 2 and 2. So 2 and 2 can never give us a difference of 3, so we're going to ignore it. We're going to focus on 4 and 1. Now the factors that we've chosen being 4 and 1, we'll have to check which one is the bigger one. Between 4 and 1, which one is the bigger one? Definitely it's 4, so it means 4 is going to take the sign of the middle term, which is negative. So write 4 here and then we'll write 1 on the other side. Let's look at the second one. So we have x squared minus 2x minus 8. So again we'll do the normal procedure of opening the two brackets, and putting x on each one of them. Now because the c is negative, we'll put negative on one bracket and positive on another bracket. So from there we're going to look for the factors of 8 that can give us a difference of 2. Now the factors of 8 can be 1 and 8 and also 2 and 4. Now 1 and 8 can never give us a difference of 2, so we're going to ignore that. Therefore we're going to stick with 2 and 4. Now between the 2 and the 4, which one is the bigger factor? Definitely the 4. So it means 4 will take the sign of the middle term, which is negative. Therefore we're going to put 4 where there is a negative and the 2 will go where there is a positive. Now let's go to the next one. The next question says x squared minus x, or 1x, for those who still want us to write 1x, minus 12. So in this instance what we're gonna have to do is that because we have got a negative c, we'll have a negative and positive on both brackets. Again, we're going to look for the factors of 12 that can give us 1, a difference of 1. So what's the difference? Which one are the factors of 12? It can be 1 and 12. The 2 can never give us a difference of 1. 2 and 6 can never give us a difference of 1, but 3 and 4 definitely can give us a difference of 1. Now which one is the bigger one between 3 and 4? Obviously it's 4. So 4 will take the sign of the middle term, which is negative. So it means 4 is going to be negative and the 3 will be positive. Let's go to the next one. So where we have what? X squared plus 3x minus 10. Again, this is a simple trinomial. Just open the two brackets, put x on each one. And now because the c is negative, you will put a negative in one bracket and a positive on the other bracket. And from there on you will look for the factors of 10 that can give you 3. Now the factors of 10 are 1 and 10, 2 and 5. 1 and 10 can never give you a difference of 3, but then 2 and 5 can give you a difference of 3. So it means that the factors that we have chosen, we choose for this question, would be 2 and 5. Now which one is the bigger factor between 2 and 5? It's definitely going to be 5. Now 5 will have to take the sign of the middle term, which is positive. So 5 will be positive and 2 will eventually be negative. Okay, let's go to the next one. Then we'll have x squared. We have x squared plus x minus 20. Okay, again we just open the two brackets, put x on each bracket, and let's see, because the c is negative, it means we'll put plus on one bracket and negative on the other bracket. Okay, now we look for the factors of 20 that can give us 1. Okay, that can give us a difference of 1. Okay, so let's look at 1 times 20. 1 times 20 is 20. Okay, the difference between 1 and 20 will never be 1. Okay, and the second one, 2 times 20, 2 times 10, the difference can never be 1. The third one is to be 4 and 5. 4 times 5, okay, well, those, they can give us a difference of 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, now what we're gonna do is that, because we already have our pair of factors, we'll have to choose which one is the bigger one. Like 5 and 4, the bigger one is 5, and so it means the 5 will have to take the sign of the middle term, and the middle term is positive, so it means the 5 will be positive, the 4 will be negative. Okay, so let's look at the next one. We have x squared plus 6x minus 16. So again, we'll open the two brackets, put x in each one of them, and we'll have plus and minus because our c, or our constant, is negative. And from there we're going to look for the factors of 16 that can give us a difference of 6. So now the factors of 16, it can either be 1 times 16, which can never give us 6, or 2 times 8. 2 times 8 can give us a difference of 6, so we can choose, we can go with the 2 and 8. Okay, now between the 2 and the 8, which one is the bigger factor? Is definitely the 8. Now the 8 will take the sign of the middle term, which is positive, so it means the 8 will be positive and the 2 will be negative. Okay, so this is just how we factorize trinomials that have got a constant that is negative. I hope this was useful to you guys, and it will help you a lot as you continue the study of factorization. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and go tell your friends about this channel. Okay, thank you.